Hey, Mark Meldrum, Meldrum's Monster Garage, and we're out here trying to start up the 1972 Chevelle 454. And I cranked it a little bit and it pooped out, and I put of course I had the charger on this all winter long, and then I got my heavy duty Rick Hurling Memorial Marathon charger out and tried to crank it over, and it just didn't have enough guts. So what we're going to do with this 454 is I already ran up to Napa and bought a new battery. So it's a pretty easy fix. You just got a little tab here that fits down in here. Okay, that holds the battery in. And then of course this is side post battery as it was in 1972. We'll get those hooked up. And then here's my little dew jammer that'll hold the battery down, so we'll get that in there. So, and then we'll get this big block started back up. All right, so there we go. 1/2 inch to get that bolt down there, 5/16 to get these two, and of course I got a nice little battery topper on there to make it look like an old battery. Even got the little green eye in there. Not the battery toppers don't come with that. I just kind of invented that. So let's get her started. All right, she started up. There's that poor old Chevelle 69 we pulled home this week, but the 72 started right up, and she's running fine. Very happy. So let's pull her into the garage, the front garage, and I'll show you something new. Well, here you go. Here's Meldrum's Monster Garage new floor, and of course I had to pull both 72 Chevelles in here. Thought that would look good on the new floor. We'll take some pictures. This is an armor coat epoxy floor. It's got the speckled flakes in there, no slip flakes. And I think the 72 Chevelles like the floor just fine. If any oil does drip on it, it's an easy cleanup. So pretty cool. Of course, we're rearranging the Meldrum's Monster Garage. Got the scooters over there. Still trying to figure out what goes where. Got another cabinet in here, a couple old file cabinets, refrigerator, whatnot. So yeah, we got things looking good here in Meldrum's Monster Garage. Well, you can see that didn't last long. Patty kicked those two Chevelles out there like they were nothing, and she's got her beetle bug in here hogging up the whole garage here. So, oh well, you win some, you lose some.